Hello students, welcome to Showrab Sir classes. So in today's video, we'll be solving question number 26 from Msqe PEB 2017 question paper. So in this question, it is given, suppose we generally refer to a new Keynesian model as a model with a non-vertical aggregate supply curve. That is, the aggregate supply curve is like this, non-vertical. Vertical, it would have been look like this. So we consider new Keynesian model as a model with a non-vertical S curve under sticky price. So under sticky price, as S curve will be what, and under sticky wage S curve will be what. So now for that, first we have to draw this. S curve shows the relationship between income and price. Now under sticky price model, sticky price, the name itself suggests that the price will be constant. At this level, the price will be constant, that is unchanged. So at this level, at the price is constant, so we will draw a horizontal line which is S curve. So at this level of price, the S curve will be horizontal like this. So under sticky price model, as you can see, the sticky price, which is the case here, under sticky price, S curve will be horizontal because the price is sticky, that is, the price is fixed. So the right answer would be horizontal. So from this very one, it is quite evident that the right answer is option A. Still we have to figure out under sticky wage the S curve will be what, whether upward sloping or not. For this, what we have to do is we'll rub this off so that I can redraw it. So now, if you remember, under sticky wage, the concept was that sticky wage in times of Great Depression, then the labor supply was huge. That is, there was abundance of labor supply in the market. So as the labor supply was too high, the nominal wage remained almost constant. So the nominal wage remained constant in time of Great Depression. During that time, Keynes proposed this idea of sticky wage, that is, in short run, the wage is likely to be sticky, that is same. Now we know wage is nothing but the cost of production. So if the wage is remaining constant, so that is the cost of production remaining constant. So when cost of production remaining constant, the price depends on cost of production. So when price depends on cost of production, so it is quite obvious that the price with respect to cost of production will also be constant. Now here the case is that, suppose W by P is the real wage rate for the workers. Now given during the depression period, we have assumed W to be constant. That is W, I will denote it by W bar rather. W bar is constant. Now during this time, if price increases, then this entire term falls. That is, the real wage falls. So when real wage falls, that is, cost of production usually basically falls. So when cost of production falls, the producers are likely to produce more. So this is why Y, which is output, increases when price increases. So this is why we get a positively sloped S curve in case of sticky wage model. So I will repeat again. See, in the time of depression, what happened? In the time of depression, there was abundance of labor in the economy. So as there was abundance of labor in the economy, the nominal wage remained fixed. So nominal wage remained fixed. So as nominal wage remained fixed, as you know, W by P, this is the wage by price, is nothing but the real wage. Now if producers, or if suppose price increases, so given this to be constant, that is nominal wage constant, real wage falls. So now real wage is nothing but cost of production. So when real wage falls, the cost of production falls. So when cost of production falls, now producers is quite likely to produce more. So this is the time when production increases, so output increases. So when price increases, output increases. So we get a positive relationship between price and output. So we say A's curve is positively sloped, that which states the relationship between Y and price. So A's curve, this is why it is positively sloped. So upward sloping. So here in case of sticky price model, A's curve is horizontal. In case of sticky wage, A's curve is upward sloping. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt or query, you can WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.saurabhsirclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials to crack Msqe PEB question paper. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.